In this video, I will show you the tips on how to delete saved passwords on iPhone. This is my iPhone 16 Pro, but you can do the same on any iPhone model running iOS 18 or later update. Launch the Passwords app on your iPhone. If deleted, then download it from the App Store. Now, verify with Face ID and password to see all password sections like this. Now, swipe left to delete the saved password from the list. This password will be moved to recently deleted folder. After 30 days. It will be deleted permanently. Select delete password option from the pop-up and that's it. Under the deleted, swipe to delete permanently or recover back to the list. To delete multiple passwords at once or delete all passwords at once, select the check mark icon at the top right corner and select the password you want to delete. Now, tap on delete from the bottom left corner. To delete all passwords, tap on select all from the top left corner and delete from bottom left. That's it. Again verify with the delete option and you are done. If you have any question then comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to get the new tech guide for free.